In this lesson, I'm going to introduce you to the params keyword. Params is a special keyword on a method that allows you to pass in as many values as you like into an array. We've used the params keyword since the start of this course without even realizing it. Console.WriteLine, if you recall, takes substitution strings. And as we lay out substitution strings, we can pass in any number of values. And you notice here that in the IntelliSense, I can add as many values as I want. It just keeps going. Now, when we explored methods, we talked about how you have to have a parameter variable for every value that you pass into the method. This is normally the case, except when you use params. And console.WriteLine is a good example of when this has utility. To demonstrate, I'm going to create a method that prints out the sum of any number of numbers. And to do this, I'm going to say params int array numbers. And once we're in the method, I'm going to declare a variable sum, set it to 0, and then I'm going to loop through each of the numbers that were passed in, and I'm going to add them to the sum. Then I'm going to print this out. Now that I've done that, I can call this method with any number of numbers. So I can say print sum 2, 2, 2. That should print 6. I can print the sum of the numbers 1 through 7. And basically any that I want. If I leave it blank, I've set it up such that it's going to print 0, and that's okay. Let's do a console.readline so that our program doesn't close, and let's run the program. And you'll see here that it worked just fine. The only catch with using params is that it must be the last parameter in the method signature.